Good morning, students. I hope all are doing well. Did you learn the previous question? Yes? Good. Before entering the class, we can discuss about reproduction. Re means new. Production means make. Making something new. Definition: the ability to reproduce organisms in their own kind. Example: monkey gives birth to monkey. There is a distinct sexual dimorphism in human beings. That is, males are visibly different from females in physical build-up, external genital organs, and secondary sexual characters. Today, we are going to learn about human reproductive system. The reproductive system of male and female are distinguished as primary and secondary sex organs. The primary sex organs are gonads. Which is the primary sex organs? Gonads, which produce gametes and secrete sex hormones. The secondary sex organs include the genital ducts and glands, which help in the transportation of gametes and enable the reproductive process. So, the reproductive system of male and female consists of two organs. What are they? The primary sex organs and secondary sex organs. The primary sex organs are gonads, which produce gametes. The secondary sex organs include genital ducts and glands. Clear, children? Okay. The reproductive organs become functional after attaining sexual maturity. When the reproductive organs become functional? After attaining sexual maturity. In males, sexual maturity is attained at the age of 13 to 14 years. In females, it is attained at the age of 11 to 13 years. This age is known as the age of puberty. What is age of puberty? In males, sexual maturity is attained at the age of 13 to 14 years. In females, it is attained at the age of 11 to 13 years. This age is known as age of puberty. During sexual maturity, hormonal changes take place in males and females, and secondary sexual characters are developed under the influence of these hormones. Now, let us learn about male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consists of testes. Testes are the primary sex organs. Scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, penis, and accessory glands. So, what are the male reproductive parts of the human male reproductive system? Consists of testes, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, penis, and accessory glands. Now we can see one by one. The first one is testes. A pair of testes lies outside the abdominal cavity of the male, which is the male gonad. Testes. It produces male gametes. The male gametes are sperms and produce sex hormone testosterone. Which is the male sex hormone? Testosterone. Which is the male gamete? Sperms. Male gonad? Testes. So, testes are the male gonads. It produces male gametes, sperm, and male sex hormone, testosterone. Along the inner side of each testis lies a mass of coiled tubules called epididymis. The testes provide Sertoli cells. It gives nourishment to the developing sperms. What is Sertoli cells? The testes provide Sertoli cells. It gives nourishment to the developing sperms. Clear, children? So, what are testes? Testes are male gonads located on the abdominal cavity. Testis contains sperms. The male sex hormone is testosterone. Next one is scrotum. The scrotum is a loose pouch-like sac of skin. It is divided internally into right and left scrotal sac by muscular partition. The testes are placed in the scrotal sac. It also contains many nerves and blood vessels. The scrotum acts as a thermoregulator organ and provides optimum temperature for the formation of sperms. What is the function of scrotum? The scrotum acts as a thermoregulator organ and provides optimum temperature for the formation of sperms. Why the scrotum gives optimum temperature for the formation of sperms? Because a body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but sperm formation requires lower temperature than the body temperature, that is 1 to 3 degrees Celsius. Clear, children? Next one, vas deferens. It is a straight tube which carries the sperms to the seminal vesicles. The sperms are stored in the seminal plasma of seminal vesicle. Where the sperms are stored? The sperms are stored in the seminal vesicle. It contains fructose, calcium and enzymes. Fructose is a source of energy for the sperm. Which is the source of energy for the sperm? Fructose. The vas deferens leads to ejaculatory duct, which expels the sperm to urethra. Clear? Once again we can say vas deferens. It's a straight tube. It carries sperm to the seminal vesicle. The sperms are stored in the seminal vesicle. It contains fructose, calcium and enzymes. Fructose is a source of energy for the sperm. Vas deferens leads to ejaculatory duct which expels the sperm to urethra. Clear? I hope all understood. Next, urethra. It is located inside the penis. It sends the sperms through the urethral opening. What is urethra? It sends the sperms from the vas deferens through urethral opening. Where it is located? It is located inside the penis. Next, accessory glands. What are the accessory glands associated with male reproductive system? The accessory glands associated with the male reproductive system consist of seminal vesicles, prostate gland and corpus glands. What is the function of these glands? These glands secrete seminal fluid and mixes with the sperm to form semen. This fluid provides nutrition and helps in the transport of sperms. Once again, we can see accessory glands. The accessory glands involved in the reproductive system are seminal vesicles, prostate gland and corpus glands. These glands secrete fluid and mixes with the sperm to form semen. This fluid provides nutrition and helps in the transport of sperms. Clear? Got it? Okay. Shall we recall once again? Okay. What are the parts included in the male reproductive system? They are testes, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, penis and accessory glands. Which is the primary sex organ? Testes. Which is the male gamete? Sperms. Male sex hormone, testosterone. What are Sertoli cells? Sertoli cells provide nourishment to the developing sperms. What is the role of scrotum? The scrotum acts as a thermoregulator organ. Scrota acts as a thermoregulator organ. It provides optimum temperature for the formation of sperms. What is our normal body temperature? 37 degrees Celsius. In sperm formation, what is the temperature necessary? 1 to 3 degrees Celsius, lower than the normal body temperature. Tell me, what are the accessory glands involved in the male reproductive system? They are seminal vesicles, prostate gland and corpus gland. Clear? The sperm is the smallest cell in the male body. Which is the smallest cell in the male body? Sperm. A normal male produces more than 500 billion sperm cells in his lifetime. The process of formation of sperm is known as spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? The process of formation of sperm is known as spermatogenesis. Clear? Shall we move to next one? Okay. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of following parts. They are ovaries, oviducts, uterus and vagina. Ovaries are the primary sex organ. The first one, ovaries. A pair of almond-shaped ovaries is located in the lower part of abdominal cavity near the kidneys in female. What is the shape of ovaries? Almond-shaped. The ovaries are the female gonads which produce female gametes, eggs or ova, and secrete female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone. Which is the female gamete, eggs or ova? Which is the female gonads, ovaries? Which is the female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone? A mature ovary contains a large number of ova in different stages of development. Clear? Once again we can see ovaries. A pair of almond-shaped ovaries is located in the lower part of abdominal cavity. Ovaries are the female gonads. Female gametes, eggs or ova. Female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. So next one, fallopian tubes. It is also known as oviducts. These are paired tubes originating from uterus one on either side. The terminal part of fallopian tube is funnel shaped with finger-like projections called fimbriae, lying near the ovary. The fimbriae pick up the ovum released from ovary and push it into the fallopian tube. So, what is the function of fallopian tube? It pick up the ovum released from ovary and push it into the fallopian tube by fimbriae. Next, uterus. Uterus is a pear-shaped, muscular, hollow structure present in the pelvic cavity. What is the shape of uterus? Pear-shaped. Where it is present? In the pelvic cavity. It lies between urinary bladder and rectum. Development of fetus occurs inside the uterus. The narrower lower part of uterus is called cervix, which leads to vagina. What is the function of uterus? The development of fetus occurs inside the uterus. What is cervix? The narrower lower part of uterus is called cervix. Next, vagina. The uterus narrows down into a hollow muscular tube called vagina. It connects cervix and the external genitalia. It receives the sperms, acts as birth canal during childbirth. So, what is the function of vagina? It receives the sperms, acts as birth canal during childbirth. That is called as parturition. Okay, so parturition means childbirth. Clear? So, once again we can see female reproductive system. What are the parts included in the female reproductive system? They are ovaries, oviducts, uterus and vagina. Ovaries. What is the shape? Almond shape. Where it is located? Lower part of abdominal cavity near the kidneys. Which is the female gonads? Ovaries. Produce female gametes, eggs are ova. Sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. What about fallopian tubes? Also known as oviducts, originating from uterus, and terminal part of fallopian tube is funnel shape with finger-like projections called fimbriae. The fimbriae pick up the ovum released from ovary and push it into the fallopian tube. Uterus. What is the shape? Pear shape. Where it is located? Present in the pelvic cavity. What is the function? Development of fetus occurs inside the uterus. It leads to cervix, then finally vagina. Vagina acts as a receives sperms as well as birth canal during childbirth. Clear? Cut it? I hope are understood. Okay. Children, lesson over. Shall we recall once again organ systems in animals, the whole lesson? Okay. First one, what we studied? Human digestive system. What are the parts included in human digestive system? Alimentary canal and digestive glands. First one, what we studied? Alimentary canal. Can you tell me the parts of alimentary canal? They are mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Have you remember? Yes. Next one, excretory system. What are the parts? They are kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Third one, reproductive system. That is male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Clear? Okay. Now we can mark the questions. Take your book. Turn page number 244. Roman letter 1. Page number 244. Roman letter 1. Which of the following is not a salivary gland? Answer B. Lacrimal. Answer B. Second one. Stomach of human beings mainly digest dash. Answer proteins. B. Option B. Did you mark? Okay. Third one. To prevent the entry of food into the trachea, the opening is guarded by dash. Answer epiglottis. Option A. Option A. Fourth one. Bile helps in the digestion of dash. Bile helps in the digestion of dash. Answer fats. Option C. Option C. Fifth one. The structural and functional unit of the kidney is dash. Answer nephron. Option C. Option C. Next one. Which one of the following substance is not a constituent of soot? Answer protein. Option B. Option B. Seventh one. The common passage meant for transporting urine and sperms in male is dash. The common passage meant for transporting urine and sperms in male is dash. Answer urethra. Option B. Option B. Eighth one. Which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system? Which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system? Answer testes. Option C. Option C. Did you mark? Okay. Next, Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. First one answer. The opening of stomach into the intestine is called pylorus. The opening of stomach into the intestine is called pylorus. Pylorus. Second one. The muscular and sensory organ which helps in mixing the food with saliva is dash. Answer tongue. The muscular and sensory organ which helps in mixing the food with saliva is dash. Answer tongue. Tongue. Third one. Bile secreted by liver is stored temporarily in dash. Bile secreted by liver is stored temporarily in dash. Answer gallbladder. 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 Fourth one. The longest part of alimentary canal is dash. The longest part of alimentary canal is dash. Answer small intestine. Small intestine. SMALL. Small intestine. INTESTINE. Small intestine. Fifth one. The human body functions normally at a temperature of about dash. The human body functions normally at a temperature of about dash. 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius. Sixth one. The largest cell in the human body of a female is dash. The largest cell in the human body of a female is dash. Ova. 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 Got it? Third one. Roman letter 3. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Question. Nitric acid in the stomach kills microorganisms in the food. Once again, nitric acid in the stomach kills microorganisms in the food. Answer true or false? Answer is false. False. Correct statement. You strike out nitric acid. There write it hydrochloric acid. HCl. Nitric acid strike out and write in hydrochloric acid. So the correct statement is hydrochloric acid in the stomach kills microorganisms in the food. Written? Okay. Second one. During digestion, proteins are broken down into amino acids. During digestion, proteins are broken down into amino acids. Answer true. Answer true. Third one. Glomerular filtrate consists of many substances like amino acids, vitamins, hormones, salts, glucose and other essential substances. Once again, glomerular filtrate consists of many substances like amino acids, vitamins, hormones, salts, glucose and other essential substances. Answer false. Answer false. Correct statements. Hormones are not present in the glomerular filtrate. Write it. Hormones are not present in the glomerular filtrate. Written. Next, Roman letter 4. Match the following. Roman letter 4. Match the following. Organ. Skin. Elimination. Answer. Skin eliminate. Soot. Next, lungs. Eliminate carbon dioxide. Third, intestine. Undigested food. Kidneys. Urine. Once again, skin, soot. Lungs, carbon dioxide. Intestine, undigested food. Kidneys, urine. So 4 on 2, 3. Clear? Okay. Then Roman letter 5. Differentiate the following. Roman letter 5. Differentiate the following. Already I have given 2 questions. I hope you all studied. So one more question you study. Okay. Incisors and canines. Incisors and canines. Roman letter 5. Question number E. Roman letter 5. Question number E. Answer. Page number 235. Page number 235. Look at the tabular column. Incisors, functions, cutting and biting. Canines, functions, tearing and piercing. Once again, page number 235, tabular column. Incisors, cutting and biting. Canines, tearing and piercing. That's all. Okay, children. So you learn whatever I have given. Okay, if you have doubt, you contact through WhatsApp. Thank you.